Yeah. No, I never have taken the walk of shame. With me, it's always been the walk of fame. You push me down, I stand back up. You foreclose on my life, I rise up. I'm the crypto Robin Hood of the century. We are taking back the dignity. It's a dynasty, an impoverished, synchronized development. It will be crypto-califragilistic, expialidocious. Reverse, it's universe. Look up to the one that guides you. You know what to do. Everyone sing the same song. We dance the same moves. Yeah, we carry on. I said look up to the one that guides you. You know what to do. It will be crypto-califragilistic, expialidocious. Crypto-califragilistic, expialidocious. Crypto-califragilistic, expialidocious. It will be crypto-califragilistic, expialidocious. Crypto-califragilistic, expialidocious. Crypto-califragilistic, expialidocious. It will be move for me. Now it's a walk of fame. No shame, it's a walk of fame. I said move for me. Now it's a walk of fame. No shame, it's a walk of fame. Move for me. Now it's a walk of fame. No shame, it's a walk of fame. I said move for me. Now it's a walk of fame. No shame, it's a walk of fame. Yeah. Keep going. I rise back up, get up when I'm falling. Keep going. I see a new day when I wake in the morning. Keep going. The crypto Robin Hood, no stopping, no stalling. Crypto-califragilistic, expialidocious. Crypto-califragilistic, expialidocious. Crypto-califragilistic, expialidocious. It will be crypto-califragilistic, expialidocious. Crypto-califragilistic, expialidocious. Crypto-califragilistic.
Well, welcome back to the Wild Wild West of the ICO market. This is Aaron coming to you live from YouTube on the Low DD Shane channel. We're going to be looking into some ICOs today, some of the ones that I'm highly interested in, and I wanted to get your opinion on these, and then we'll discuss them further. So first up, we're going to be looking at MoxieOne. So let's take a look at MoxieOne, see what they have to offer. It's a debit card and payment.
There currently exists over 1,000 cryptocurrencies with hundreds of new token sales being launched every month. The total market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies is currently at more than $300 billion and growing rapidly. A majority of cryptocurrency tokens are underutilized, and ICO companies are struggling without reliable financial infrastructure. Introducing MoxieOne, tokens with real-world value, the essential financial infrastructure for companies that issue cryptocurrencies. By white-labeling the MoxieOne system, companies can offer their token holders branded debit cards and cross-platform wallets for instant spending of their created cryptocurrencies. Our advanced liquidity providers functionality will play a vital role in providing the necessary funds for local currency transactions throughout the world. They will buy the respective tokens and provide the system with equivalent fiat. Spend tokens will be the fuel of the MoxieOne system, as they will be used for all individual transactions and platform fees. In addition, spend tokens can be used for daily transactions by token holders. MoxieOne hopes to fast-track the advancement of the cryptocurrency economy into the future by creating a gateway to the real world. Join our token sale to help MoxieOne become a reality and be one of the first to get spend tokens. Visit www.moxie.one for more information.
So that was MoxieOne. There's some things we like with it. It allows other ICO tokens for branding. It's a debit card and payment option. Companies will be vetted. We'll work with companies like third-party companies like Shapeshift for conversion. It has an EFT POS terminal for 2.6 million ATMs worldwide. First release will be on Ether, and then second release will be Tether, Monero, and Bitcoin Cash. So MoxieOne, card issue fees for $15, virtual cards for $3. They'll have 50 million tokens on their pre-sale February 8th of 2018, soft cap of 5,000 or 5 million Ether, and then hard cap of 20 million Ether. They got some bonuses for, let's see. 1 Ether equals 1,000 spend. So their token is going to be the spend token. So 1 Ether equals 1,000 spend. And we'll discuss this further. We got 3 of them lined up today that we're going to be discussing. So the next one coming up is going to be VET. Things that we like about VET is it gives us an opportunity to invest into royalties from music artists. I mean, think if we had an opportunity to own some royalties in like Eminem's music. So let's look at VET and then we'll discuss it further.
Welcome to an early sneak peek of Vest, a platform that allows fans to own a piece of their favorite song. First off, we take security very seriously and want to make sure all of our artists and buyers feel secure and confident on this platform. That's why all users have access to two-factor authentication to make sure their data and portfolio stay theirs. Let's take a look at recent listings. We can see how various songs are performing and trading. I've gone ahead and followed a few of my favorite artists and other buyers as well. Let's see what they're up to. It looks like this song is something I'd buy into. I'll go ahead and select the amount I'd like to purchase, confirm my details, and boom, I now share ownership with one of the most prolific hip-hop artists of all time. If my music is available via streaming services, I can add the link or search by connecting my Spotify to automatically fill in the song details. In this case, we'll fill in the details by hand and get into the fun part. We'd like to try and raise $10,000. All artists know that the rights to their music can be complicated. At Vest, we kept things simple and accessible to make sure any artist can understand and list a track. Vest will automatically let my social following know when the listing is ready for people to buy in. Vest even allows you to track and collect royalties across 137 countries. Okay, let's confirm the details and we're ready to go. That's it for today. Thanks for taking a first look at Vest, the future of connecting
some
fans
things that
with
we like about it, it's an all-in-one space for music service. You can launch to Spotify. It'll be in 137 countries worldwide. Right now they're in Q4. They're looking for 3 artists on their on their platform. In Q1 of 2018, they'll be doing their beta launch. And really what they're going to be launching is an ISO, which is an initial song offering. They have a 5% fee for transactions on their platform, which is, I think, a little bit on the undesirable market. But still, it's very interesting as far as bets. Right now, they got people on their catalog list. As far as artists, they got Rick Ross, John Legend, Dr. Dre, Drake, Jamie Foxx, Fat Joe, Kanye West, Young Jeezy. So, I mean, they got some reputable people on it right now, currently available. We'll discuss it a little bit further after our third look on our next ICO.
Will banks still be with us in 5 years' time? Definitely, but in a new revolutionary form. High transaction costs, low speed, lack of flexibility and over-regulation will give way to a new financial ecosystem, made possible by the emergence of blockchain and cryptocurrency.
Within a decade, when crypto economy are predicted to break $10 trillion, CryptoBank will be leading the way. And this is the reason why we are creating Cryptareum.
Cryptareum will be the world's first fully functioning digital crypto bank. It is decentralized and secure, supported by an open platform and cryptocurrency lending facilities. Cryptareum to be at the forefront of this banking revolution.
Whatever monetary or financial task you need to perform, whether it's paying with your cryptocurrency in a store, securing a loan, or simply transferring money abroad, Cryptareum will always be there to support you, delivering tremendous blockchain banking opportunities anywhere in the world, 24/7.
With more than 10 years experience in fintech, driving forward cashless payment technologies and payment digitalization solutions, The team at Cryptareum have made it our mission to make settlements fast, affordable, and safe.
This experience, applied to cryptocurrencies within the blockchain, ensures that we have everything we need to build perhaps the most technologically capable bank of our time.
Cryptareum is built upon a decentralized banking platform with its own payment processing and clearance center, and consists of 4 elements: mobile crypto bank, crypto lending system, crypto acquiring for merchants, and open API for developers.
But everything starts with payments. The Cryptareum mobile crypto bank will be much more than just another mobile wallet. It is ultimate alternative for an existing or future repository of bitcoins, altcoins, and digital assets, including ICO tokens.
At its heart is the ability to pay for anything with cryptocurrency. At 42 million online and offline stores around the world. In fact, anywhere that accepts Visa, MasterCard, and UnionPay, any internet store, and all manner of paper bills such as utilities and public services.
What's more is that our customers will no longer need a bank card. By using NFC protocol with Apple Pay, Samsung Pay, or Android Pay, a Cryptareum mobile banking member will be able to pay directly from their mobile phone Cryptareum app. Nothing could be more convenient.
Crypto lending is a separate chapter in the Cryptareum mission that fully embraces special credit subtokens, employing the most advanced credit scoring algorithms that start with a Know Your Customer assessment. The customer may take out a credit subtoken loan instantly, exchanging it for Bitcoin via the Cryptareum credit subtokens exchange at the prevailing token rate.
And when it is time to pay back the loan, the borrower purchases back those subtokens at the new prevailing rate. In this way, we will create the first token-secured liabilities, making it easier for millions of people to obtain credit at a rate that reflects them as individuals and not as a hostage to local country limitations, whilst providing an inevitable demand for the credit subtokens that should lead to a steady growth in value and ultimately a profit for our token holders.
Over the last 5 years, the Cryptareum team has developed more than 20 contactless payment solutions. Our extensive knowledge and experience, as well as many of those products, will be a core factor in building the Cryptareum Mobile Bank 2.0. Our solutions cover QR code mechanics, NFC, and ultrasound mechanic payments for the retail sector, restaurants, e-commerce, and even street retail, which otherwise would have no access to accept non-cash solutions. Merchants will be given access to fast, cheap, and legal crypto fiat settlement, and in turn help us to build a cryptocurrency payment ecosystem.
The evolution of the crypto economy will not be determined by one company alone. Therefore, we are opening up our Cryptareum platform API to third-party developers, a platform for the commercialization of cryptocurrency solutions based on Cryptareum Open API built by the world's best blockchain experts. This is our step towards the creation of our community.
The team at Cryptareum has spent the best part of a lifetime building digital payment solutions, and we are now aiming to secure the next stage of funding through an ICO. Just like cryptocurrencies, cryptobanks are an unavoidable evolution in the development of money. At Cryptareum, we have the experience and strong vision to become an early mover leader cryptobank and take a key role in shaping the future of banking. Be part of that vision and take part in the ICO.
So that was Cryptareum. Things that we like about Cryptareum. They're going to have a fiat gateway with PayPal, no exchanges. They'll have 300 million tokens with their ICO valued at $1.50 per token. They'll have 13 members and 10 advisors, and I looked into some of the members and advisors. And yeah, it looks like they're all coming from good backgrounds in the market as far as banking. If you're going to launch a crypto bank, Cryptareum, it'd be important to have members in that field. So, I mean, Cryptareum is pretty interesting. We're taking a look at it. We want to get your opinions on what you thought of Cryptareum. The one I think that we're most excited about is Vest. So, let's see. Let's get back into it. It's an ISO, initial song offering. And let's look at the token allocation. They got 45% sold to private and public on the pre-sale, 35% held by Vest, 10% reserved by partnerships and PR, 4% advisors and consultants, and then 6% to the artist and talent acquisition. Now, I think it'd be a little bit more important to maybe give up a little bit more of your holdings to the artist and talent acquisition, since we're buying into that. But anyway, I mean, they still have a good catalog of artists. Like I said, they got Rick Ross, Dr. Dre, maybe some of his older work, Drake, Jamie Foxx, Fat Joe, Kanye West, and then Young Jeezy. So this should only grow as it gets more of an avenue for artists to, you know, get some easy funding on some of their songs right off the bat. Let's look a little bit further into MoxieOne. So MoxieOne, 1 Ether will equal 1,000 spend. The team, let's see, the team 10%. So the team will keep 10% of 5 million held for 6 months, and then that 10% will release per month. Partners will receive 20%, and this is in MoxieOne. Partners will receive 20% for 10 million. And 10% release at the end of the token sale. So at the end of the token sale, they're going to cash out. 70% of the token sale bonus released in phases. So you don't get all of your bonuses right up front. It would be released in phases. And the token creation is on the ERC23 specs. So what we're looking for today is we're looking for your feedback from the internet on these 3 ICOs that we want to look to invest our Ethereum and Bitcoin back into the markets. We got MoxieOne, which, you know, is a good branding opportunity for other ICOs to have debit card access. We got Vest, which is ownership of royalties into the music industry, and then Cryptareum, which is a banking industry. So what do you think, Internet? Do you think our strongest position would be in MoxieOne, Vest, or Cryptareum? Please leave your feedback in the comments below. You can join us live on Facebook at ETH.Ventures or live on Facebook at BTC.Capital. So that'd be ETH.Ventures and then BTC.Capital. We stream once a week live, and we always look for the feedback of the community. Also, if you participate in our live streams, you'll have an opportunity to receive some Ether. So, looking forward to you, and see you on the next stream.